Guys, I woke up so early to shoot this video because I am damn excited, and as you can tell from the title of the video, we are doing a makeover. We are doing sort of like another makeover, and I'm excited about that. And to add on to that, guys, we are unboxing. Yes, finally we are doing my first unboxing. Good morning, guys. I hope you're all doing okay. Welcome back to another video. If you're joining us for the first time, my name is Ida and this is the Lavish Corner. My people, watu wangu, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you so much. The title of this video, we are doing a mini bathroom makeover, and my bathroom is tiny. Just a heads up, it is so tiny, guys. But I hope you'll be able to, enjoy the whole thing. So excited, guys. I received a package as well. We are unboxing. Yay! Our first unboxing, and of course let me drink to that. We have to celebrate every little milestone, guys. Coffee. Shout out to my girl Wabi, entrepreneur, CEO, boss of Wabi House of Hygiene. She sent me a gift, and of course I know what I'm expecting, but I want us to open it. I've not opened it since I received it. I want us to open it, and I know we're used to unboxing of luxury items, clothing, shoes and all that, but this is special. Let's just open, okay? Let's open it.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning.
So guys, it's my first partnership. I'm partnering with the Wabi House of Hygiene, who is a distributor of this magic detergent toilet cleaner. So she sent me to try out this product, and that is the reason why I decided also to do a mini bathroom makeover at the same time. I'm trying out this product. I'm really excited about it because with Mombasa, those of you who stay in Mombasa, because of the hard water, you know how how it can really get hard to clean your tiles and clean your bathroom because of the grime or the scum, or the way the water turns the color of your bathroom bowl. Yeah, so this is what it says. To remove hard water, lime scale, and rust stains on toilet bowls, bathtubs, sinks, apply detergent and soap for 10 minutes, then scrub with scrubbing pads provided for the best results. Scrubbing pads. Okay, I didn't know. So yeah, I think this is like filing paper. So this is provided to help remove that as well. I'm really hoping it's strong enough to remove those stains. So we're going to do like a review, a mini product review with you guys as well on this. Yes, guys. Let's do this. So I'm going to link her Facebook page on my description box below, and of course I think you've been able to see some of the products that she has. Not only detergents, she also has some very nice decorative items that you can put on your bathroom, on your restroom. You can reach out to her if you want this or any items that you will find on her page. So yeah, thank you so much, girl. Thank you, Wabi. So guys, if you thought my kitchen was small, oh god, yes, the shower is up there. So I'm also planning to switch up this color, just like the rest of most of the walls in my house. I'm going to paint it white. Yeah, so this is it, my tiny bathroom. This is what we have to work with. As you can see, all my products, like I'm a product junkie. It's a candle. uh, I used to have this in the living room, but so yeah, sometimes it comes in handy here. My shampoo. I like Cream of Nature products. They're at least affordable and they're not so bad. Uh, this is my body scrub, my face wash and scrub and mask. Daniel water, my masks also for my face. This is bentonite clay, and this is it's called liwa. I don't know what they call it in English, but it's called liwa. I like mixing up the products to use on my face. This bentonite clay sometimes I use on my hair and my face. This is for my face and body. I mix it a lot with turmeric. My face soaps as well. This is black soap and this is turmeric soap. I think I got it from Clear Essentials or something like that. Sheer Essentials or something like that. The nitty gritties, ladies, for the ladies, nitty gritties. Put my tissue, and then this is my liquid soap. Yeah, because of the water, sometimes it's better to use the liquid soap. So I went ahead and painted the walls white. You can see already the transformation. It makes the place bright. So I'm separating the liquid in different containers. This container has a spritz so that it makes it easier to spray on the wall and all the surfaces. And then this other one has a dark necked top so that it helps when I'm now spreading the liquid in all the corners of the toilet bowls. Now, just to mention, for the spritz you have to mix it with a little water so that it will become easier to spray on the walls. The liquid is very thick. So I went ahead to drench my whole bathroom with the liquid, my floors, and then also I decided to soak my toilet brushes using the same liquid just to get out that cream from them. So getting ready to start the scrubbing. Just to mention, guys, please make sure you use gloves. I didn't use gloves, but because you are dealing with chemicals, it's always safe to use gloves and masks if you have to. So guys, we're finally done. It's my bathroom. You can see it looks cleaner, it looks brighter. I just like the paint, the way I did the white paint on it. It makes it a bit more clean, a bit more bright, and then also it opens up the space, makes it look a bit wider. So yeah, this is my walls. I did a lot of scrubbing on the walls. I did a lot of scrubbing on the floors. You can see it looks a bit brighter, a bit cleaner, so I'm happy about that. Look at my toilet, guys. It is so clean. It is white and sparkling, and I love it. So magic toilet cleaner, I think it's a good solution. I just want to show you guys something. Look at the way these knobs are shining. My tap is shining. They had a lot of scam. And also check this out, guys. It's not really that clear, but you can tell that most of the rust is out. I was able to scrub them out and the scum that formed. So with time, I'm sure if I continue using the product, then it will make it better. Even the toilet inside the bowl is cleaner. So guys, now we have a clean bathroom, and I must say I'm really happy with the results that I got from Magic Cleaning Solution. Yeah, so I think you can try it out. You can always check out the link on my description box below to just see how to get a hold of the product. Now we're on to the next stage, just rearranging the stuff that was here before and just try to make the bathroom look a bit more, nice and all that. So let's do this. So guys, this item has been on my wish list for quite some time, and I got this from Nawal Center for about 1,300. So I just feel like it would be a good addition to my bathroom, just to help me set up the place, rearrange most of the stuff and just make it look a bit more interesting. So it came with this for drilling a hole on the wall and then just sticking it. But for now, I'm going to use some strings just to tighten it, because I'm not going to drill a hole. I don't want to break these tiles. Yeah, so yeah, it looks okay like that. I'm just going to put in my stuff here. Down here, I'll put in my soaps and my daily soaps, the ones I use every day. Up here, I'm going to use maybe the ones that, like my scrubs, my masks and all that. Then up here, I'm going to put my hair products, Yeah. It look a bit better. Hanging flower from my garden, from my balcony, and this is just these fixtures that you have around your bulb. My bulb that I have right now is a bit longer, so this didn't fit. So I'm going to use this for now as a deco item, but of course with time I'll upgrade to a nice better planter for this. So I think it looks really nice. This. Like that. So I like that. I like that a lot. So for my tissue, I don't like using this tissue holder down here because it gets really wet and it rusts a lot. So I prefer putting it on this side where normally we don't have so much water. So like I said, from Wabi House of Hygiene, they have a lot of nice products for decorating your bathroom, your restroom or your toilet. And I think they are getting one of their tissue holder hopefully soon. I saw they really have nice tissue holders, or is it tissue containers, yeah, and also a lot of nice artwork for the bathroom. So guys, what do you think? I think it's okay. It's controlling the clutter a bit. It looks nice.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip. I love on you, and then I leave you lonely. You want to get to know me. I'll agree in exchange for your soul, please, baby. You taste like maybe
done, just a simple update, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the whole thing. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, guys, kindly go down. You know the drill. Go down, click on the subscription link, click on the notification button, leave your comment, leave your ideas down below, like, share. I'd really like to hear from you. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I appreciate so much. I hope you enjoyed the whole thing.
You need a refill in your cup. Sip it slow, slow your roll. Your eyes, they tickle the pizza of my soul.